happening, boys? What's happening? It's been a few months since I've checked in with you all, and been pretty busy. Other hobbies, 9 to 5 job. You know how it goes. Life gets in the way. But I've decided to open this box, this one right behind me, with you guys, and since it's now official that Team Red and Team Green, Taylor RC and ALX, are now trading partners, I thought I would further break the ice and show you what's in the box. And I'm going to put it out there now. Not everybody is going to like this. But first off, I do, and that's all that matters. So anyway, let's open the box and see what's inside. Right, so all I've really done is just taken the label off and so forth. So I haven't opened this up until now. This is as the box is. Ooh, some nice packaging. Ooh, look at that. So now, let me see if I can. Okay, hold on. I'm going to pause and then I'm going to get it out and we go again. Well, there we have it. Yum-O. Yum-O. Brand new, straight off the production line. 1080. Ooh. Yes, please. So yeah, I'm pretty excited about this. It did take quite a while to get to me. You know, from the time I ordered it until now, it has taken quite a bit of time. But I reckon it's certainly going to be worth it. And the big thing for me on this, because a lot of you guys do know that I have a twin already. This one is a reed case, whereas the OBR, well, the RCMK modified by OBR is a piston port. So there you can see there's my 57cc, and that is a piston port. And while this car is a beast, it's an absolute beast when it goes. It's a freaking animal. It gets hot quite quickly. So normally, on a good day, one tank is probably all I can get out of it before the carbs are boiling. So normally what I do is I will ride it for a tank, let it sit, and go again. So where this is the carbs are a little bit further away from the action. So I'm not owning one of these before. I'm assuming, because I've owned piston port and reed port motors together, and the reed motors, the carbies always stay a little bit cooler. So I'm pretty excited about this. Pretty excited. Now, should we check to see what else is in the box? Let's have a look. Okay, so there we go. We've got an ALX gear plate. We've got a tranny plate. So that's the upper tranny plate. A brake mount, and a clutch tool, and then what was sent let's have a look. I've got some more stuff that was sent ahead of time before this. So I've got a set of pipes, the chromed pipes, which I think are going to be absolutely amazing. And they've got adjustable outlets, which is nice. So there's a set of those. And then I've got a one-piece sleigh shaft, some mounting hardware, some more mounting hardware over there, rear chassis plates. I think that's all that's in there, and of course the other pipe. So yeah, I am trying to source a cage, a new cage for a Baja. I don't know how successful I'm going to be, because I want something a little bit more special. I also decided to go with a raw finish opposed to a anodized finish, because when you damage parts that are anodized a special color, two things: they can come back a different color slightly, because they get colored in batches, anodized in batches. And two, if you actually land up damaging something and you have to have it replaced, it takes time to have those parts now sent out to you. So they've got to get anodized and then sent out to you. So the time frame in between is quite big. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the chassis that the 57's in and put that in there. So I'm going to have, so give me some time. So yeah, I'm not going to make any promises about how long it's going to take or anything like that. It's just out there, and I will be making some content at some stage. Hope you guys are all well, and look forward to hearing from you, and we'll chat later. Cheers.